Hey my beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be setting up my weekly spread in my social media planner, and I am using a classic size dashboard layout that I absolutely love. And I'm going to be planning for this week, August the 30th through September the 5th. And I'm really excited because I am getting a chance to use a fun sticker kit that I am absolutely in love with. And I also shared it with you guys. Hopefully you were able to get a chance to see that video where I shared dashboard layout type sticker kits. And so for this one, I decided to use this Summer Days 2 by Nash's Printwork. And this is specifically for the dashboard layout. So I'm just really excited to go ahead and start using this. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now.
right, you guys, so I am done with my spread for this week. I love how it turned out, and it was super easy to do. So I am feeling these sticker kits for the dashboard layout. Now, I do want to put out a little disclaimer that this classic size dashboard layout is not a happy planner dashboard layout. This is actually a classic size dashboard layout designed by Pleasantly Planned, and for the most part they fit perfectly. I did have a little bit of areas here where it had like a gap here, and I just kind of put like some build-do stickers just to kind of cover that up. But all in all, it still looks great. I love it. But it probably would fit even better with the dashboard layout because I think she has the measurements for the dashboard layout from the Happy Planner. But all in all, it turned out great. The days of the weeks are a little big for this section here. It would have been great if it was a little smaller so that we kind of fit in the line, and I can put my little numeric numbers here so that I can date them. But all in all, I still love it. I love how it looks. Super easy. So if you are struggling with decorating your dashboard layout, definitely check out Nash's print work and check out her dashboard-like style sticker kits, because this would change your whole dashboard game. But I love how this turned out. Super fun, super vibrant colors. I still have a few stickers left, which I can kind of sprinkle here and there throughout. But instead of using these little date dots here or these little dots here, I just went ahead and used my little stencil from the Happy Planner, and they actually come in the in two, so you can actually put them in your planner. This one is all about line it up. It has the circles with the lines, or you can do the squares, so you can make your own like little checklist. So you have the square with the lines, and then you have the one with the circles and the lines. But this is giving you the flexibility to make your own checklist if you need to. If you want to kind of put some checklists here, you could, you could do that too. But I want to try to use up all of the checklist boxes that I could in this area. And yeah, so I love how it turned out. I did have a video that come out on Monday, so I hope you guys check that out. If you didn't, please make sure you go back and check out that video, but I'll try to link it in my description box below if you want to go ahead and check that out. And that video was just showing you guys how I pre-planned for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa, and I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy videos like this. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.